All right, look, I know yesterday I may have been a little bit harsh on Derek Jeter, calling him a fraud. I felt a little bad about that last night. Then this morning, I saw the most recent farewell tour commercial from Gatorade. Yo, this clown's a fraud.
Oh, stop.
And you are all suckers.
Stop.
Let's talk about what this is, okay? This is now grand commercial number 2 on the farewell tour. And it's not just the tour, okay? Mariano Rivera did that. It's not just that Derek Jeter's doing commercials. It's that this has never been what Derek Jeter has been about. He has been about team, not me. He has talked about never wanting to, he's never let us into his personal life because he's always been about the team. He, frankly, is being a complete fraud right now.
Oh, how could you say that?
Here's how I can say that. And I know that in commercials you have to suspend a little bit of belief. This is suspending all reality. Derek Jeter getting out of his car service saying, you know what, I'm going to walk to work today. I'm going to walk into Stan's bowling alley and hang out with those guys. They say, we've been waiting for you to show up since 1998. Well, you didn't invite me. No, Gatorade wasn't paying me an absolute ton of cash to show up and hang out. Otherwise, I wouldn't be caught dead here, and I didn't even know this place existed. What a complete and utter joke. And here's the other thing I can't take. I can't take this notion that Derek didn't want this. The Yankees wanted this. Derek's not comfortable with this. He looks pretty damn comfortable to me as he's collecting the checks, and I'm shocked he's not hurt from patting himself on the back all year.
You done yet?
Not yet.
That's the single greatest commercial I've ever seen.
Of course.
And I got the chills watching it, and you know what I think of Derek Jeter. And this tour is amazing. And the commercial's amazing. It's one Sinatra, the Bronx, Jeter. He's everything that's right with sports. He's everything that's right with baseball. And everyone's acknowledging him and paying their respects, and it's great. You are right about one thing. Jeter wants this. Of course he wants this. And he should want this after his entire career. And it's good for baseball. Did the Yankees put him up to it? Did baseball put him up to it? Is he going to get paid from Gatorade? Absolutely. Does it benefit his foundation, which aids kids, which is obviously wonderful? Of course.
The commercial does? I'm not sure. Does it?
Well, no. The tour, when he gets all the money from the foundation.
But if you're Derek Jeter, all you have to do is be Derek Jeter. If you're going to announce that you're retiring, that's one thing. But he's never been about the pomp and circumstance.
But this is his final year. Why can't you see through that, Colin? That's okay. Of course he's never been about that. This is his final year ever being in Major League Baseball. He's allowed to tip the cap and soak it in. Why can't you get that?
Why is do it for 162 days? I mean,
yes,
Mariano
he's
Rivera.
Derek Jeter.
Mariano Rivera did the same thing last year, but he did it in a classy fashion.
Wait, this is not classy?
I didn't see 10 commercials of Mariano Rivera.
It's completely classy. He's the epitome of class.
Stop.
And every time he takes the microphone, says we got a game to play.
Let me tell you something.
About the team.
The second Derek Jeter walked out of stands that day, he felt like he needed a shower.
Oh, come on.
I guarantee you that. What do you mean, come on? He's never been there in his life. I get all that. But, you know, the whole idea is that at least be what you've been about. I respect Derek Jeter. I have fought with you more than anybody else. You have crushed him. You have called him Marco Scutaro
as a player. Yes,
for
absolutely.
Years.
For 2 years.
But here's the thing. I respect everything he's been about. This is not what Derek Jeter's about.
So he's paying tribute to all the fans nationwide.
Stop.
And wait, hold on for a second.
Stop.
You know, I grew up as a diehard Yankee fan, and before every single game, I would go with my dad and my mom and my brother. We'd go into stands, we'd get a shirt, and he's going in and paying respect. That's great. And yes, he's getting paid for the commercial, but it's part of the fabric of the Yankees in Yankee Stadium, and it's great. And I'm sorry that you missed the boat on this, but this is what baseball and being a Yankee fan and loving Derek Jeter is all about. And this tone in this commercial is spot on. It's perfect. And Derek Jeter is saying thank you to everyone, and it's awesome.
You know how you say thank you? Just say thank you. Don't go collect checks from Gatorade. Don't go collect checks from Nike to capitalize on your farewell tour. Mariano Rivera didn't do that. And are you going to tell me that there's not going to be another commercial by the end of next week? There's going to be at least one more.
Of course.
We get it. He's going away. That's fine. I wouldn't have any problem with this whole tour if it wasn't so anti-Jeterian. I can't wait to see his pool boy paddling around in that kayak he got yesterday and his butler wearing those stupid cowboy boots. Please. What a complete and utter joke and circus this has become.
You are a sick individual.
Oh.